cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day.
Okay, let's get into this head, man. Period. Good old expressions today. Ooh, I like her hair in the picture. That's cute. Pre-stretched. Gotta have that pre-stretch. So I'm about to do 2 ponytails. So I'm just gonna part my hair down the middle and try to get it as straight as possible. And I'm gonna use my mirror to make sure that the part is straight. And then I'm gonna go in with some jam on my hair. So I'm taking this jam and smoothing it throughout my hair. Honestly, I don't know why I even got this jam because it literally only holds on my hair for 2 seconds. It's like I'm putting all this product on my hair and it's not even slicking my hair down. So next time I do my hair, I'm gonna get like some holding spray and use that instead of the jam. But yeah, I'm just using this jam for now. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these rollers on the ends and I'm gonna dip them in some hot water off camera. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Got my ends curly. Yes, period. Oh my god, my hair came out so cute. Okay, stop playing with her. I hate when you dip your hair and it's like still wet afterwards. Hey. Alright y'all, that's pretty much the end of this video. If you found this helpful, make sure you comment down below and let me know what style you want to see next. Okay, period.